Hello, my name's Don Shader. I get websites up to the top of a Google search. I noticed yours isn't even on a search. I saw one of your trucks, by the way, out on the tollway and did some research. Let's see, I pulled up your website here. Really beautiful website, by the way. But if you do, I found out, so if you do site and then your website, nothing comes up. So you got a website with all these pages, but Google doesn't know you exist. Yahoo, Bing, the other search engines. There's probably a setting somewhere if you log into your host. For example, if you have GoDaddy, there's a setting that makes you available for search engines to crawl your website. So let's see, I got another tool here that looks like I already got you in there. Alright, so I'm going to go to overview here. So here's something. So you got a whole lot of backlinks, and then you got 0 organic keywords. Usually, if you're in the search engines, you're ranked for keywords. For example, catering, Chicago catering, catering in Chicago. I notice you do have backlinks from other websites, so you got like a press release here, news. I notice you got some. You probably paid for some, search engine optimization on the internet, SEO or SEM, search engine marketing. But this is off-page marketing. There's something called on-page optimization, so that all these would help your website, but your website isn't found on the internet. So another thing this little search engine does, so since you're not ranking for any keywords, so if you did like, you're in Downers Grove catering, so it's a very easy word to rank for. There's about 40 people per month searching for this. There's people paying about this much for advertising on the internet, but so if we scroll down, like Yelp is easy to beat. There's some Corky's place. So let's just use corkyscatering.com. Go back to Site Explorer. corkyscatering.com. Alright, so these people, they know what they're doing. They got a whole lot of organic keywords that they're ranking for, backlinks. They definitely paid a lot of money for someone like me to do a lot of work here. Go to organic keywords. Alright, so their name. They've done a lot of branding, and a lot of people know who Corky's is. So catering in Chicagoland. Here's a money keyword right here. So there's 300 people per month typing this into, say, Google. They're ranking number 1. And so they're being exposed to 300 people. So same thing here in Naperville, catering, 250 people. Chicago catering, 350, 300, 500 catering Chicago. This is the 5th position on Google. So like I'm saying, they're getting a lot of free exposure, a lot of on Google. So just showing you what's available. If you can just simply turn on your website to be found by Google, I can help you with that if you got any questions. I don't want this video to be too long, but thanks for watching and hope you found this informational. Let me know if you got any questions. Have a good day.